This video introduces how to generate hex values for code generator drivers by using Smart Configurator feature. By default, Smart Configurator generates codes using macro descriptions which represent the function of configured registers or register bits. If you need to convert the generated macro descriptions into hex values to meet your project requirement, it can be cumbersome and error-prone. This video demonstrates how to use the new Smart Configurator feature to generate hex values for code generator drivers. First, click Window. Preferences to configure the code style setting. Click Renaissance. Smart Configurator. Component. Change the setting of the code style to value without macro description, raw hex. Click Apply and Close to save the setting. Generate code. Click the generated driver file. All driver codes are generated in hex values. By using the hex value generation feature, you can easily convert the generated macro descriptions into hex values. No manual work is required. This feature only supports code generator components. Other types of components are not supported. For more information related to Smart Configurator, please go to this URL.